Hello and welcome to today's video. This is an introductory video. In this video, we will be discussing about RNUILib. This topic has been on the minds of many and we are here to provide some insights and information on RNUILib. Whether you are a beginner or expert, this video is for you. So sit back, relax and let's deep dive into this. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting content. RNUI is a UI toolset and component library for React Native, and it is created by the Wix. It has over 60 beautiful components, and it has some basic components like button, avatar, card, and more sophisticated one like hint, color picker, drawer, skeleton, etc. And this library has some out-of-box functionality like it has cross-platform support, accessibility and RTL support. And this library has some key features like it has a large collection of UI components, customizable themes and styling options, easy to use API and intuitive documentation, making it simple for developers to get started quickly. It is designed to help developers to save time and efforts in creating beautiful and functional UI. From the next video, we will see the installation process, and on the upcoming lecture, we will cover each and every topics and also create project using the RNUI library. So wait for the next video and like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.